muna. We now proceed to other matters. Are there other matters? Yes.
Mr. Chair, may I be recognized? Mr. Chair, I have a matter to bring before the Regional Peace and Order Council concerning our LGU performance audit, including the Regional Peace and Order Council functionality audits. So with that, Mr. Chair, I respectfully move for a resolution requesting the Council for Good Local Governance through the Chairperson, the Honorable Secretary of the Interior and Local Government, Attorney Benjamin Avalos Jr. to take cognizance and jurisdiction of the following local government unit performance audits, Local Peace and Order Council functionality audit, Local Anti-Drug Abuse Council functionality audit, Child-Friendly Local Governance audit, and the Gawad Kalasag performance audits to excellence on disaster risk reduction and management for LGUs to rationalize and integrate these LGU audits in the seal of good local government system. So, Mr. Chair, allow me to read the whereases of this concern. Whereas pursuant to Section 3 of RA 11292, the seal of good local governance is an award, incentive, honor, and recognition-based program for all LGUs, and is a continuing commitment for LGUs to continually progress and improve their performance different governance areas stipulated under the law. Whereas Section 2 of RA 11292 also provides as a state policy to recognize the good performance of local government units in transparency and accountability in the use of public funds, preparedness for challenges posed by disasters, sensitivity to the needs of vulnerable and marginalized sectors of society, implementation of health programs, investment and employment promotion, protection of constituency from threats to life and damaged property, and safeguarding the integrity of the environment. So in such recognition, the state hopes to encourage all LGUs to take on greater challenges, encourage outcome-based performance, and to reward local governments for their efforts in pursuing the general welfare of their constituency and enforcing existing laws. So whereas it is believed that the LGU performance audits sought to be rationalized and integrated in the SDLG system could be catered in the following governance area components of the SDLG, namely peace and order, social protection, disaster risk reduction and management. Whereas it is believed that it is a CGLG that has the mandate of law to have jurisdiction of LGU performance audits. Whereas rationalization and integration of the above-mentioned LGU performance audits to the SGLG assessment criteria will lead to cost efficiency, effectiveness, and do away with duplication and LGU performance audit overlaps. Whereas peace and order, public safety, disaster risk reduction and management, and matters concerning the welfare of children, subject of the above-mentioned performance audits intended for rationalization and integration to the SDLG system, are also concerns of this Regional Peace and Order Council, insofar as any audit duplication and overlap affect the operation of our LGUs. So again, Mr. Chair, I so moved.
Thank you, Mayor. So we have that motion for the adoption of that resolution as expressed by Mayor Mambay. Any objection to the motion, the adoption of the resolution? Hearing none, duly seconded, so resolution is approved and adopted. Thank you, Mayor.